session on dismounting of gears. Gears are integral components of various mechanical systems serving the purpose of transmitting motion and power between rotating shafts. However, there are instances when gears need to be dismantled either for repair, maintenance, or replacement purposes. Dismantling of gears requires a systematic approach and careful handling to ensure their safe removal and subsequent reassembly. In this session, we will explore the essential steps involved in dismounting gears. Let's get ready to go into this topic and discover the key techniques and considerations for dismounting gears. In this session on dismantling of gears, our objectives are: dismantle gearbox from the machine, check out how to replace and repair the worn out or damaged parts. By the end of the session, you will have the knowledge and skills required to dismount gears effectively. These objectives will equip you with the valuable insights into gear maintenance, enhancing the performance and longevity of mechanical systems.
Tools required: socket wrench set, torque wrench, gear puller, bearing puller, hammer, punch, screwdriver, combination spanner, pliers, wire brush, cleaning solvent, safety glasses, gloves, dismantling the gearbox, switch off the main power supply, inspect the lathe machine gearbox, dismantle the guard and belts, support the driving shaft with wooden blanks, unscrew the fasteners by using suitable tools, remove the gear assembly and keep it on the work table. Remove the gear from the shaft by using puller. Remove the key from the drive shaft. Remove bearing covers and internal circlips. Dismantle the driver shaft by using any soft material like copper rod, aluminum rod, and wooden block with hammer. Remove the bearings and sliding gear unit from the gearbox by disconnecting spring-loaded shifting lever. Remove the end nut, bearing covers, circlips, and grab screws in the spacer of the driven shaft. Remove the driven shaft by using copper rod and hammer, then take out the gears, spacers from the gearbox. Thoroughly clean all the parts using kerosene and wipe out with cotton cloth. Check all the part for wear and tear.
In this session, we discussed the process of dismounting, repairing damaged gears, mounting, and checking for workability. Here's a short recap of the key points covered. Dismounting. To begin the process, ensure the equipment is turned off and safely secured. Remove any covers or guards obstructing gear access. Use appropriate tools to loosen and remove bolts or nuts securing the gear. Carefully slide the gear off the shaft using a gear puller if necessary. Inspect the gear for damage such as chipped teeth or crack. We hope you find this session informative and valuable. Stay tuned for more insightful sessions. Have a great day.